Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to store your contacts on Pinterest. First, you need to go to your Pinterest profile. You can get here by clicking on the bottom right icon that says saved, and that will take you to where I am right now. And then we have to click on the top right icon with the three dots to go to our settings. I'm going to click on the three dots right now, and this will pop up. There's settings and copy profile link. We're going to click on the settings. And then we have a couple of options here like public profile, personal information, account management, home feed tuner, social permissions, notifications, and privacy and data. We're going to need to click on privacy and data. That's right under notifications. And we have search privacy and store your contacts. So all you have to do is flip the switch and you're going to store all your contacts from your phone on Pinterest. And that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye.